Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shape and nice to meet you all guys. So today I'm going to share a tutorial. This tutorial I always challenge myself to help, and if I have time I will just give a tutorial. And by this time this tutorial is based on question from one of our friends in the community. Someone's post about this. She would like to know how to make this font effect over here. So actually it's not so difficult, but well, I'm going to share you, and I'm going to let you know. So this tutorial is well for those who are beginners, for those who are not yet familiar how to figure out all tools inside Canva, and I hope this tutorial will help you guys. So before I continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Siu Saramaha. Come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. So for those who are not yet have a Canva Pro account, guys, you can upgrade your Canva Pro account by using this link over here. This one is official link from Canva. So this link is my affiliations link. If you use this link to upgrade your account, I will get some commission like token from Canva. So but if you don't use it, it doesn't matter. Alright, so I'm happy to let you know. If you do that one, means that I will get some token from Canva. Alright, so the benefit of having Canva Pro is all access. You can get it from there, so to smooth your way. Well, so back to the case, that this is the sample of the case, and she would like to know how to make this one. And in here I made already, and I just would like to let you know. So this is the name of this font is Bukhari Script, and this is all the hex code color. If you like to copy paste this one, it's up to you. So I will just put later on this video's description so that you can copy paste. Is it hard to make this one? No, it is so easy. Alright, so I'm going to make this one your name. Yeah, I use your name anyway. So I'm going to use your name, and I will just return to the original one. So I will start with the white color. So to make a shade over here, so actually there's a lot of ways how to make lines, I mean the rainbow effect. And once you type your name, like this one over here, I type already your name, Aminu Sadiat Ade Doyin, and right away click over the font and click effect. After you click the effect and choose this one here, shadow. Alright, and shadow, and make sure you change this one is over here is a shadow color. So because we are going to start first is with red, right? So start with red, and now we're going, and let's just copy this hex code over here to make it the same, and let's change the shadow color. So the first color is white and the shadow color is, so we just click over here, and then you can release the hex code by paste on it or Control C, and then it will change the color right away. And now transparency, you need to make it stronger. I mean you make sliding forward. And now the direction, so it's up to you where the direction you want to put it, and you can arrange, okay, how the shadow fall. All right, if you like to the direction on the other side, or maybe below, or maybe upper, or on the bottom over here, or it's up to you guys. So this one you can manage. All right, you can manage by your own self. Right, so I'm going just to follow, I'm going to follow this style over here so that it will answer your questions. All right, so once you get this one, now you are done, and now you may copy paste again. And now the second one is yellow and green. So I'm going to copy this one, and I'm going to change the color over here. The white one is, so will just release over here, and then it will change right away. Now I'm going to click effect again, and I will change the color of the I'm going to change the color of the green one, of the red one become green. Okay, I'm going back again here, and now go to effect and this red color, so change it with the hex code copy and just slide forward, slide up and position backward, and then after that you just do move a little bit forward and make sure you arrange the position. So yes, and after that, now let's copy paste again this one, and now this color over here dark green, and we need to change this one. We need to change the dark green. Now release, paste, and after that now the red one, so go to effect and okay, let's check. I would just like to copy this hex code over here and copy, and here change the color and done. Now again arrange this one and put the position backward and backward again. Yep. Okay, now you can arrange and move a little bit. Okay, right, so the last one is this one. Okay, so now copy paste this one and arrange and back to normal, so to remove the shadow. Now we need to change the color, become this color. Okay, I will just copy paste and put in here. Now so the design is done, and I hope you can figure out this is the way you can use this effect from here to make it fast. All right. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this tutorial. So if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe to the channel, and if you don't like to get any notifications, you don't have to subscribe, so you just watch, and that's fair enough. Thank you, and see you again for the next tutorial. Bye bye.